How can you keep mastitis under control while making your dairy farm more economical and sustainable? It's quite simple. With GEA concentrates, you blend your teat dips directly on your farm. And only blend the dips you need. This allows you to minimize mastitis cases even more effectively and optimize milk production. You only mix the dips in quantities you currently need. This reduces your annual teat dip costs compared to ready-to-use products. GEA concentrates contain far less water than traditional ready-to-use products. Therefore, fewer canisters are needed. For you, this means more space in the barn and less work changing, handling, and disposing of the canisters. At the same time, reduced transportation emissions and energy consumed in the supply chain means you also reduce your environmental footprint and make a positive contribution towards sustainability for our planet. Choose GEA concentrates, your cost-saving and environmentally friendly solution. Make a lot out of a little.